Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We're back in Parco Meridiano. I love this complex, and you've probably seen my videos from the earlier units that we filmed. The complex itself is absolutely stunning. It's probably the most beautifully maintained complex that I've seen in Scalea and Calabria in general. All of the flowers are perfect. There's roses, flowers, hibiscus everywhere. The paths and walkways are meticulously maintained, and the buildings themselves are in really nice shape. This is a really nice option for somebody looking for a vacation home because it's all secure. You can leave your car here, you can shut your house up for the period that you're not here and be very secure that it's going to be fine. So let's take a look. This is on the first floor. The other ones were ground floor units. This is on the first floor right next to the swimming pool. Let's have a look, guys. We just came up this little flight of stairs here and we're going into this unit. I like this one a lot because it's up a little ways. It's up a little higher. It's much like the other units that I showed you, very spacious on the inside. I actually love that you've got like a room for a sofa here, you've got room for a nice dining table here, and you've got your little setup for your TV and your Soggiorno space. And you've got a really nice little kitchen. It's super duper functional and I absolutely love it. Now let's check this out because each one has a balcony or patio space. This one overlooks the swimming pool. And I love it because look, you can see all the beautiful flowers right along that area there. They're so gorgeous. The hibiscus, the roses, the star jasmine. You walk out and you just get hit with the smell of these beautiful, beautiful flowers. Verbena, just all kinds of beautiful plants and flowers. Now it rained yesterday. It rained most of the day. So of course the pool is feeling it. And it's going to be cleaned in the next day or two, and everybody will be able to come out and enjoy swimming. Now what I like about this is it's relatively private because you're up high. And if you wanted to pull your table back a little bit, you could have a sea view from here, up and over the pool deck. This is a lovely option, guys. It's only one little staircase up, and again, you can see that the park itself is beautifully maintained. Gorgeous, gorgeous walkways, flowered paths, secure gates, everything you could want. Look at the bedrooms. Now, if you look at these hallways, they're super wide. You could put floor-to-ceiling cabinets here for storage, or you could put beautiful pieces of furniture that you find somewhere, like antique pieces if you want, and mirrors or whatever on the walls to make it very beautiful and functional. Now, another thing is the rooms here are very big. They're not these teeny tiny little studio rooms that have one little single bed wedged into it. They're super spacious. This room has basically a couple of single beds, which could be like a matrimoniale, a queen size, and it's got a big armadio. Now, this room here also has a matrimoniale bed and an armadio and a dresser. And from the window, you can see, if you stand on your tippy toes, you can see Cirella Island. There's a ton of beautiful airflow here. Now, once again, they all have the same bathroom, which I love because it's blue. And it's got this beautiful tile accents here. Always a big shower, really comfy bathroom with beautiful airflow. I think this is a really, really nice place, guys.